Unsure how much quantity to send Amazon FBA, sending too much can result in overstocking, while sending less can lead to being out of stock, which is the worst case scenario. That's where Amazon FBA forecast plan comes in handy. By using data, you can predict how much quantity you need to send to Amazon FBA. Hi, I'm Harsh, and today I'm going to share how you can create FBA inventory forecast plan that we use at Wise. So we have created this template which you get from the link in the description. Now let's talk about how to use the FBA inventory forecast template. We have made it really simple. You only need to paste 2 sets of data and you'll get all the insights you need. First, go to Amazon Seller Central account, go to business report, click on detail page sales and traffic. Select the duration for the report. We usually recommend using at least last 2 months of data, but you can choose the time frame that works best for you. Download the report, paste the downloaded data into the unit order sheet in the template. Perfect. Next, gather your inventory data. In Seller Central, go to fulfillment, click on Manage FBA Inventory, click on Request Download. Now, paste the data into the Manage FBA Inventory sheet in the template. Done. Now, let's move on to the FBA Inventory plan sheet. So, here's due to pre-applied formulas. The data is fetched from both the subsheets. Here are your Seller-SKU, child ASINs, and items names. Here is the data for the last 2 months sold units that I have downloaded. If you have downloaded data for a different range, such as 3 months, simply change the number of days 60 to approximately appropriate number of days. Per day average units sold. These are the average number of units sold per day based on the data from the last month for each individual SKUs. Now, under the total unit required for sell, enter the number of days for which you need to forecast the total unit required. This will display the number of units required for the upcoming months for each individual SKU based on the number of days needed, which you have added. Currently available units. These are the current inventory available in FBA. Current days of inventory. This represents the number of days that the current FBA inventory can sustain. And here, under the unit needed cell, enter the number of days for which you need to plan the shipment to determine how many units need to be sent to Amazon FBA based on the daily average units sold. And that's it. Here's the final shipment quantity needed to be sent to Amazon FBA. It's quick and easy, right? Download the template from the link in the description. I hope this information was helpful. If you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment in the video. For more Amazon related queries, you can reach out to us via email. Thanks for watching. Bye.